Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through some 8 AI Mac apps you will regret not using sooner. So let's get started. First is SCSI transcriptions for iMessage. So what is SCSI? SCSI automatically transcribes your iMessage voice messages into text, making it easier to read and understand audio messages without listening to them. Benefits of using SCSI is it makes it easier for users with hearing impairments to access voice messages. It quickly reads the content of voice messages in noisy environments where listening might be difficult. You can save time by allowing you to scan through transcribed messages rather than listening to the long audio clips. Now, the second one is Mac Bing. What is Mac Bing? Mac Bing integrates Bing AI's search and intelligent features into your Mac OS, allowing for more powerful and efficient search capabilities. It utilizes Bing AI's capabilities such as natural language processing, image recognitions, and contextual search. It can perform advanced searches using Bing AI directly from your Mac with more relevant and context aware results. You can use voice commands to search the web, find files, or get information using Bing AI's voice recognition. So, MacBing ensures that your search data is handled securely, respecting users' privacy. MacBing combines the powerful AI capabilities of Bing with the seamless user experience of macOS, providing an advanced tool for enhanced search and intelligent assistance directly on your Mac. Now, third one is ScanThing. ScanThing is a macOS app that allows you to scan documents, photos, receipts, and more using your Mac's camera or an external scanner. It utilizes AI to automatically detect and enhance scanned images, ensuring high quality digital copies. So it captures high resolution scans of documents and images with automatic age detection and correction. It also saves, organizes, and shares scanned files directly from the app. ScanThing simplifies the process of dignitizing physical documents, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to create high quality digital copies of their important papers and photos. ScanThing offers a convenient and powerful scanning solution for a Mac. Now, the fourth one is Obstacle. Obstacle is a powerful application designed to enhance and upcycle images on a Mac using advanced AI technology. Obstacle uses sophisticated AI algorithms to increase image resolution while preserving details and reducing noises. Obstacle multiple images at once, saving time and effort. So basically, Obstacle provides a powerful solution for anyone looking to enhance the quality of the images on a Mac. With its AI-powered upcycling technology, it makes it easy to transform low-resolution images to high-quality visuals suitable for various professional and personal applications. On fifth, we have Grammarly. Grammarly is an advanced writing assistant that helps you improve your writing by providing real-time grammar, spelling, and style suggestions. Grammarly is an AI-powered tool that checks your writing for grammar, spelling, punctuations, and style errors. It is available as a browser extension, desktop app, and integration with popular applications like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. So, Grammarly is a comprehensive tool that enhances your writing across various platforms and applications on your Mac. Whether for professional, academic, or personal use, Grammarly helps you write with confidence and precision, ensuring your written communication is always top notch. On sixth, we have Mac Whisper. Mac Whisper is a powerful transcription tool that utilizes Whisper AI, an advanced open source speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. So, Mac Whisper leverages Whisper AI advanced speech recognition capabilities to deliver high quality, accurate transcriptions. Mac Whisper harnesses the power of Whisper AI to provide a reliable and efficient transcription service for Mac users. Whether you need to transcribe business meetings, academic content, or personal recordings, Mac Whisper offers a user friendly and secure solution to meet your transcription needs. On seventh, we have Diffusion B. Diffusion B empowers your creativity by providing tools to generate stunning AI art in seconds. The AI canvas serves as a co-pilot, seamlessly blending human creativity with AI capabilities. It lets you generate and edit images using prompts and human drawings. It's easy to use and the results are stunning. Lastly, we have Adobe Podcast AI. It is an innovative platform with high quality audio editing, AI powered transcription, and professional grade remote recording capabilities. It simplifies podcast production by offering pre edited, royalty free music, saving time and money for creators. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.